Yes, in practice set 2.1, that several problems in this practice set. One by one will be seen that. Problem is that in figure, line RP and MS are parallel and line DK. This DK line is the transversal. So we solve this first problem, that he will ask that find the measure of that angles, angle RHD. See this RHD, this angle we want to measure, then we want to measure that having PHG, this PH and G, this is G, this PHG we want to find, then HGS, HGS, this angle we want to find that, then MGK, MGK, this angle will be find. So one by one we'll find out. So see here, solution first. First we want to find out that angle RHD. What we want to find that? Angle RHD. This angle we want to find. Okay, how we find that? So see, RHD and DHB, these are the linear pair angle. So that we'll write here angle RHD plus angle DHP is equal to 180 degree. Means we write down the reason linear pair angle. रेषीय जोडीतील कोण आहे ते RHD आणि DHB, आणि रेषीय जोडीतील कोणाची मापाची बेरीज 180 अंश असते आपल्याला माहित आहे. So put that values in this RHD plus DHP. We having that values 85 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle RHD is equal to that 180 minus 85 means what, that 95 degree. So angle RHD is equal to 95 degree. So in this way we find out that first from that linear pair angle. And second, what they will be asked, that second angle PHG we want to find out. So how we find out that? See, angle PHG is equal to angle RHD. See, PHG, where is PHG? PHG, this, and RHD, RH, these are two vertical angles. Okay, so write down here reason vertically opposite angles. So write down the values of that PHG. PHG is equal to 95 degree. So what that values of RHD, that's having the values of PHD. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. In this way we want to find out that second one. Now we want to find out that third one. What he asked, that angle HGS we find out. Where is HGS? This HGS. Okay, this angle we want to find. So see, these 85 and these are the corresponding angles. So we find out that angle HGS is equal to angle DHP. These are the corresponding angle. Okay, so what is the values of HGS? HGS is 85 degree. Okay, and last one, we want to find that angle MGK. MGK, this angle we want to find out. So again, what is the opposite angle of that MGK? That is the HGS. Okay, so to angle HGS, write down here vertically opposite angle. So write down angle MGK is equal to 85 degree. So in this way we want to find out. फक्त त्यानं एकच अँगल दिला होता, त्याच्या आधारे आपण लिनियर पेअर करून, व्हर्टिकली अपोजिट करून किंवा करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल करून आपण जी काय आहेत हे व्हॅल्यूज इथं काय, लाईन पी parallel to line Q, these two lines are parallel one to one another, and line L and M are transversal. Now we want to find out that some measure of angles A, angle B, angle C and angle D. So these measures we want to find out, A, B, C, D. Okay, one by one we will find out. So see first that angle A plus, see these two are the linear pair angle. Angle A plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. These are the linear pair angles. So write down here linear pair angle. Now angle A equal to, this will be go to this side, that 180 degree minus 110. So what's remain, that 170 degree. So angle A is equal to 70 degree. Angle A किती आलेला आहे पहा इथं, हा 70 आलेला आहे, 70 degree. Okay, now we want to find out that second B, angle B. So this angle we want to find out. See these are two that what exterior alternate angles. See this A and B. So whatever that A value that having B, so write down that angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 70 degree. So write down here exterior alternate angle. Now third one is that angle C is equal to 115 degree. See this angle C is equal to 160 degree. What is the reason here? So see these two are that corresponding angles. So what is that the value of that C? That is 115. So write down here corresponding angle. Now next, that is the fourth, that having D. We want to find out that D. So how we will find out that D, that's having D, angle D and 115 angle, that's having these two are that linear pair angle. So write down here angle D plus 115 is equal to 180 degree. So write down here linear pair angle. So angle D is equal to, see this 180 is in this side, that 180 degree minus 115 degree. So what's remain, that angle D is a 65 degree. In this way we can solve out. The line L parallel to line M, so these two are the parallel line, and N parallel to line P, so these also are two parallel line. Then find out A, B, C. So these A, B, C, that's how we want to find out from the given measure. Or they will be given that here 45 degree they will be given. Okay, so write down that angle D we consider here. Okay, this angle D. So angle D is equal to 45 degree, that is the corresponding angle, and from that we can find out A, B, C. Okay, first write down that angle D is equal to 45 degree. Write down the reason here, corresponding angle. What we are write here, that line L parallel to line N M, and P is a transversal. P is transversal. So write down that next A, angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. That are the linear pair AD. See here these two linear pair angle. Linear pair angle. Okay, then write down angle A plus 45 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 45 degree. So what is the what that remain, that 135 degree remain, that is the angle A. So write down angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 135 degree, means that A and B, see these are two vertically opposite angles. So write down here vertically opposite angle, and angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 135 degrees. See here angle B and C are these two corresponding angles. So write down here corresponding angle. So write down line N parallel to line B, line N parallel to line P, and M is transversal. M is transversal. In this way we can solve out that third question. Yes. Now next question is that fourth question. Then that fourth question they will be asked that side PQR. So see this PQR and XYZ. So this see here, this is X, Y, and Z. These two sides are parallel to each other. Okay. Now we want to prove. We want to prove that angle PQR is congruent to angle XYZ. PQR angle is congruent to that XYZ. So see here, some little construction will be here that XY will extend that up to M, that intersect at point M. Okay, that will be extend. So what will be given here? First we write down that in the given side of angle PQR, write down side of angle PQR and angle XYZ are parallel. So write down QP. See this QP parallel to YX and QR. So this QR and Y parallel to YZ. QR parallel to YZ. We want to prove that angle PQR is congruent to angle XYZ. So these two we want to find out. Prove. Now some little construction will be here that extend XY. So this XY will be extend so that it intersect QR at M. That intersect at QR at M. QR वरती M intersect झालेला आहे. Now we want to prove. How we prove that? Write down QP parallel to XY or YX. QP, this QP parallel to YX. Here write down QP parallel to MX. Again QP parallel to MX. So this way. So write down angle PQR is congruent to angle XMR. See this PQR is congruent to XMR. So these are that's having corresponding angle. So write down here equation number 1. So see here these PQR and XMR, these are two corresponding angles. Now write down angle XYZ is congruent to angle XMR. Equation number 2. So this is also a corresponding angle. See which XYZ. See XYZ is congruent to XMR. These two angles. These are that congruent angle. So from equation 1 2, from equation 1 and 2, how to write that? So see, angle PQR is congruent to angle XY. The question that they will be given us line AB parallel to line CD, okay, and line PQ is a transversal and measure of one angle of the given. एक angle इथे दिला आहे 105 डिग्री. Hence find out the measure of angle. आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे ART. See this ART, this will be find, we want to find. Then CTQ, this CTQ, this will be find. Then DTQ, this DTQ will find. Then PRB, this PR and B, this angle also we will find. So one by one we will find out that. So first of all we find out that ART, this ART we want to find out. Okay, so write down here ART. See this ART and these two angles that's having linear pair angle BRT. Okay, this BRT and ART. So write down angle ART plus angle BRT is equal to 180 degree. Write down the reason here. Linear pair angle. Okay, then angle ART plus what is BRT? 105 degree is equal to 180 degree. So write down angle ART is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree. So what remain that ART 75 degree. Angle ART. In this way we find out that ART is a 70 degree. Now next we find out what is that found that next CTQ. So this CTQ, this angle CTQ we want to find. So write down angle ART is equal to angle CTQ. So see why these are the corresponding angles. So write down here corresponding angles. ART, see this ART, this angle, and CTQ, these two angles are corresponding angles. So what is the values of that CTQ? That angle CTQ is equal to angle ART is equal to 75 degree. Why? Because that corresponding angles and become AB parallel to CD and PQ is a transversal. Here we write. Then angle CTQ is equal to 75 degree. In this way, that third also we want to find out that third is nothing but a DTQ. This DTQ angle DT and Q we want to find out. Write down here angle BRT is equal to angle DTQ. See BRT, where is BRT? BRT, these two also are corresponding angles. So write down here corresponding angles. So write down angle DTQ is equal to angle BRT is equal to 105 degree. So what is that values of DTQ? Angle DTQ is 105 degree. Okay, and fourth one, last one is that angle PRB we want to find out. Where is PRB? See this PRB, this angle. Okay, now write down here also again PRB is equal to angle ART. Where is ART? This ART and PRB, these two angles. So what is that values of PRB? Write down here. ART, what is the values of ART? 75. So angle PRB is equal to 75 degree. In this way we solve that practice set 2.